Get started with Fireflies in minutes. Sign up, connect your calendar, and learn your way around the Fireflies dashboard. Getting started with Fireflies is quick. When you sign up for Fireflies, you'll see the option to continue with Google or with Microsoft. If you want Fireflies to join meetings on your Google Calendar, continue with Google. If your meetings live on Outlook or Microsoft Calendar, continue with Microsoft. Once you select an option, choose the email account you want to connect and approve the permissions. This allows Fireflies to access your calendar and join your meetings automatically. After that, you'll be guided through a short onboarding flow. You'll be asked a few questions about how you plan to use Fireflies, like your role, your team, and what you want help with. This helps Fireflies personalize your experience. You can always change these settings later. Once you're connected, you'll land on your Fireflies dashboard. This is your home base. On the left, you'll see the main navigation, where you can access meetings, integrations, settings, and more. We'll go deeper into these sections in upcoming videos. If you're new to Fireflies, you'll also see some recommendations on the dashboard. These are suggestions based on your role, like which integrations to connect or which automations and AI skills might be helpful. On the right, once you open this panel, you'll see your upcoming meetings, quick access to some meeting settings, and language. Right here, here's your personal assistant. It will generate a daily digest, highlight important topics discussed, and provide meeting prep based on all your meetings. In the top right corner, you'll also see your notifications. Right next to that is your profile menu, where you can manage your account and profile settings. And if you ever need help, you can always reach out through the support option here to start a chat with our team. Now that your calendar is connected and you know where everything lives, you're ready to start using Fireflies in your meetings.